Hey guys, I'm Jessie Janae and you're watching Unboxing Things, a show where we unbox your favorite brands, and instead of talking about their products, we talk only about their boxes. That's what we do here at Lumi. We make packaging for modern e-commerce brands. We have a brand overflowing my mailbox with a box so big, oh my gosh guys, it's Bombas. Bombas is a sock brand on a mission. For every pair of socks that you buy, they donate a specially designed pair of socks to the homeless. It's a really incredible mission and also a really incredible pair of socks. First things first, I love socks. Ordered a lot of socks. They came in both a poly mailer and I also got this big box here. So if you order 1 or 2 or maybe even 3 pairs of socks, most likely it's gonna come in this puppy. Why? It's hyper efficient to ship. It's very light but durable enough to get all the way to your doorstep. This is a poly mailer that's also resealable because it says right on it, perforated, resealable. They're giving me hints. I can tell it's 2-color printed. You've got the base color of the poly mailer popping through that says Bombas, Bombas, Bombas. And then you've got the blue flood coat over top and then the darker blue as well as an accent color. Also, to a discerning eye, I can tell that underneath the shipping label is a block of the white, a block of the plain poly mailer. The shipping label will stick better to a non-inked surface, so they gave themselves a nice block of white to go boom. It says Bombas, welcome to the first day of the rest of your feet. I think we're ready to open this puppy. Boom, boom, boom. Very easy to open with that perforated seal. If I need to return anything, I can just peel this puppy off, reseal this bag, and send it right back. Will I? No, I don't return Bombas socks. When I go in, I've got my incredible socks. When you get your products out of a poly mailer, you'll notice how little material this guy uses. That makes him very efficient to ship. You can imagine a stack of 1,000 of these fitting in a box, so they ship actually to the warehouse very efficiently. And then you can imagine when they've got their product in them, they squeeze down and don't take up very much space in a truck or a mail bag. Onto the big boy, the corrugated box. Corrugated is the proper term for a box, not cardboard. Cardboard is actually pressed board without a corrugation in it. Corrugated, wavy layer, corrugated box, and that's what we've got here. First, I'm gonna take my handy dandy blade. Otherwise, you can just claw it open. Okay, woo! First up, colorful box inside and out. The inside of the box has a base layer of white paper, meaning that the corrugated, when it was in sheet form, had white on one side and boom, craft on the other. Both sides are printed. That means they're investing in an experience here for you because you see this on your doorstep and you go, whoa, I'm excited. And then you open it and you're like, I'm even more excited than I was before, but not so fast. I didn't talk enough about the outside of the box, people. They're using 1-color printing on this outside of the box. So this is just craft with 1 color, this striking blue color, but they've designed it in such a way where half the box is flood coated and half the box has a pattern. Just really creates a visual pop, really draws your eye in. Has a beautiful logo, and what else? We've also got another description of the donation program. What is this box style, you ask? It's an RSC. Stands for regular slotted container. They're one of the most efficient box styles to produce, very economical as well. Let's dive back in, shall we? Boom, what's this? Is it from space? No, it's from Bombas. Here we have a really interesting way to cushion a product. It's actually a product that uses sealed air, kind of in a tube type fashion, and is custom sized for this gift box so that it doesn't just get wrapped and you don't have to use too much. And then you can just open them very conveniently like this and take your box out. And then boom, I've just got this lightweight component. Inside, I've got a gift box. Bombas has really gone all out. Do you guys see that metallic on there? It's got a really nice metallic Bombas and kind of party vibe to it. And this is a nice rigid box. So it's kind of got that same suction-y feeling that you get from those beautiful Apple boxes. And then you can see that the socks themselves are rolled up really nicely. So a beautiful presentation and really elevating something that seems simple, like a sock, into a true gifting experience. I have a second one, a little bit longer. So again, these cushion products are actually sized directly to the box to make sure that they arrive perfectly. Bombas has decided to ship these gift boxes to me in a larger box. And even though you can see that there was extra space in this box, that doesn't necessarily mean it was inefficient. When a brand decides to purchase custom packaging, it's important that they don't overstock. So I can guess that Bombas probably just has 1 or 2 box sizes for this outer box, and it's made to accommodate all the variations of possible gift boxes and other things that people buy when they really go ham on their sock purchases. That is actually hyper efficient. Collateral card. Dear blank, I got these wildly comfortable, thoughtful, and blank Bombas socks you are receiving. What's happening here is Bombas is giving me a card to give to someone else because they're assuming that I'm gifting these socks because I ordered gift boxes. They don't understand that in my case, I ordered myself a gift. I will also be filling this out for myself. And inside this card, beautiful story about how they've donated 10 million pairs of socks in this journey of building this company. Really, truly incredible. So I really love how they're pairing my gifting experience with some really beautiful messaging about their brand and mission as well. I'm gonna destroy this box for you guys. Whoa, okay. That was a glue joint. So that means there was glue put here, and then this little flap here was used to turn and actually bond it. It's like a ribbon of corrugate. This is a B-flute box. I'm using my eyes to tell that. That's how powerful my eyes are. B-flute is a nice, strong, standard corrugate fluting, perfect for an RSC box of this size, and it's also made using really nice paper. How can I tell? Because of the ink and print fidelity being held. When you look at this tiny sock, actually on this tiny sock is a tiny Bombas logo, and that logo looks really good. I think it's time to roll in the recap. Bombas packaging is fun for so many reasons. First up, it's playful. Now, I love a brand who doesn't take itself too seriously, and Bombas is right up there with the pros. They tell jokes, they've got Mad Libs, they give you a little happiness haiku. They're just making things really fun. No frills. I love how they can do something fancy when they need to for a gift, and I opted in and purchased this experience, but also their core packaging, the poly mailer, the RSC box, are printed and look beautiful, but they're not more than they need to be. So they're using materials efficiently. Next up, it's feel good. What do I mean by that? Well, when I see it, I feel good. I love the graphics, I love the colors, but also the mission. On the outside of the box, the poly mailer, the information card, and I get inside, all of them help me understand the Bombas mission and how they've donated millions of pairs of socks, which makes me feel warm and fuzzy about my purchase. That's Bombas Unboxed.